before we can begin. So you could quickly write in your groups that we are about to start, and next 30 seconds or so we should be able to begin. Just quickly write to your friends, your colleagues, your batchmates that we are about to begin our second session. All right, students, let's begin. Okay, let me teach you one shortcut technique, then we'll proceed to our assignments, because we have discussed in the past that every time I'm doing a math session, I should be able to discuss a shortcut. All right, students, this shortcut is about did we discuss 50 to 60 yesterday? How to calculate squares of numbers between 50 and 60, students? Okay, so today what we'll do is, I think we discussed this yesterday, right? What
Yes,
all
sir.
did we discuss yesterday? Did we discuss how to multiply two numbers both ending with 5 and difference is 10? Did we discuss that?
Yes, sir. We have discussed it, sir. And 50 to
Okay,
60 also we have discussed, sir.
perfect.
Sir, you had not discussed the distance ones. You said that we'll do it later. The ones in which
Nothing is audible.
am I audible, sir? Now?
Yeah. Questions from assignment of course is pending. Questions from assignment is pending.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, let me first discuss one of the techniques. This is about multiplication of numbers between 80 to 120. 80 to 120. So students, there are three distinct possibilities. One, when both the numbers happen to be greater than 100. When both the numbers happen to be greater than 100. So let me take examples. Let me take examples. Suppose I have to multiply 102 with 104. I have to multiply 102 with 104. Now what we do, students, so both the numbers greater than 100. What we do is we write a plus 2. We write a plus 4. Now product of 2 and 4 is 8. I write 0, 8 because my base is 100. By base, we mean the value with which it is closer. I either add 2 to 104 or I can add 4 to 102. One and the same thing. So it becomes 10608. So this might look a little tedious at the beginning, but once you get acclimatized, once you get used to these techniques, now suppose you ask me, how will you multiply 103 times 107? I'll straight away tell you it is 11021. What am I doing, students? Let me now. What am I doing when I'm writing this answer? Just see the steps that we follow. So it is not that you have to necessarily write these steps. These steps have been prepared only to ensure that you don't feel problems. So when we multiply 103 with 107, we multiply 103 with 107, the plus 3 and a plus 7. 3 times 7. Now, thankfully, I've got space for 2 digits. I've got exactly 2 spaces. I told you my base is 100. Why am I writing a plus 3? It's a comparison with 100. 7 is plus 7. It's an analysis with 100 plus 7. So when I multiply 3 and 7, I get 21. And I add 3 to 107, I get 110. Is this okay, students? Now, these are two distinct possibilities when both the numbers happen to be greater than 100. One, when my product happens to be a single digit. Two, when my product happens to be 2 digits. And then, of course, I've got a third possibility where I get my product as 3 digits. When I get my product also as 3 digits. For example, if I look at 109 times 112. 109 times 112. Now, students, when I multiply 9 with 12, what is 9 times 12, students? All of you know it is 108. Now, this is a 3-digit number. I add 9, it is 121. I need to carry it forward. This is the fundamental rule of mathematics. If you get anything extra, you need to carry it forward. And this is written as 12208. So these are the 3 distinct possibilities when you're multiplying 2 numbers such that both happens to be greater than 100 and the range is defined as 100 to 120. I do it up to 140 also, but I do it because I'm in touch. Why up to 20, students? Because you'll be able to multiply up to 20. You know your tables up to 20. That's the whole logic. and it also becomes very handy. आपको मेरी बात समझ आ रही students?
Yes,
मैं
sir.
आपको बहुत बहुत जल्दी कैलकुलेशन करने को दे रहा हूँ. 112 multiplied with 112 multiplied with 117. जल्दी से बताएं क्या होगा. Fast. 112 times 117. 112 into 117. Quickly, fast. क्योंकि हमें बहुत कुछ करना है आज कवर. 112. देखिए, आप जितना ज्यादा कोऑपरेट करेंगे, जितनी जल्दी क्लास में आ जाएंगे, उतना आउटपुट बढ़ेगा. क्या आप मेरी बात यकीन के साथ मान लें? Because I don't want a situation wherein I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do. We want to utilize
Sir,
maximum of
129.
time.
Sir, 129,204.
No, so 2 will
So
get carried.
13109.
One Seema 13104 is absolutely correct. One three one four. Again I'm writing here. 112 times 117. Just for I don't even write it like this. मैं तो डायरेक्टली
So
करता हूँ, पर
131.
आपकी सुविधा के लिए लिख रहे हैं. 17 and 34. 170 and 34. 204. Add 12. 129. 2 carried forward. 1, 2, 1. Is this okay? All right. Last number. Then we'll proceed to the 116 times 119. Oh, sorry. I think 116 times 119.
13804.
So 19 into 16 is 304. 04. 3 carried forward. 19 added, it becomes 135 and 3. No need to write the steps. These steps, I told you, become redundant once you become adept. Once you become used to these techniques, these steps are all redundant. These steps become meaningless. You don't have to necessarily do them. Rishabh is absolutely correct when he says 13804. All right, students, let's move to the next category. Let's move to the next category of multiplication. When both the numbers happen to be smaller. So let me take one example. 98 times 96. Now again, as you know, my base is 100. My base is 100. So 98 is minus 2 and 96 is minus 4. Students, don't forget product of two negative numbers is positive. Product of two negative numbers is positive. Here, instead of adding, I subtract the number because the symbol is minus. So the rules remain the same. The technique remains the same. It is just that product of two negative numbers yields a positive number. Yields a positive number. Is this okay? Are you getting the logic?
Sir, why we have written minus 2?
Base is 100. 98 is minus 2. 2 come. 96
Okay,
is
उसे
4.
convert. Okay.
उसी से हमेशा बेस से. Let's look at another set of examples. If I wish to multiply 92 times 94 minus 8 minus 6 48 86. Is this part clear to all of you?
Yes,
And
sir.
then the
Yes, sir.
last possibility, 86 times 89, let's say. This is a minus 14, minus 11. This is a plus 154. Minus 14 makes it 75. Then we add 1 from answer becomes is this okay all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ओके अब मैं आपको बहुत जल्दी आप चिंता ना करें क्वेश्चंस और असाइनमेंट अभी तो हमारे पास एक बफर सेशन मैंने रखा है पूरे प्रोग्राम में एक मैंने बफर सेशन रखा है कुछ भी बच जाएगा तो उसके लिए हमारे पास ओके अब आप लिखेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन 83 टाइम्स 81 83 times 81
Sir, 6723. 6723.
6723 is absolutely correct. 6723 is absolutely correct. 6723 is absolutely correct. Are you all getting 6723? 83 times 81. 83 is nothing but minus 17. This is minus 19. 17 into 19 is 18 square minus 1. This is 323. Straight away. Time नहीं waste करना है. ये क्या होगा? 60. 3 carry forward. 6, 7. Is this okay, all of you? चलिए आज का शॉर्टकट यही था आज इसको प्रैक्टिस करेंगे देखिए शॉर्टकट्स बहुत ज्यादा एक दिन में करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है बिकॉज आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू to basically practice 1 or 2 techniques and then of course we'll talk about students let me first complete the assignment from number system then of course we will yesterday in the second half we started with number system I talked about HCF LCM I talked about a lot of concepts so let me quickly complete that assignment first then we'll go back to our okay this was our assignment can you see the slide all of you
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes okay so we have to start from here please continue
Recording in progress.
yes please The question is, let x be the smallest number which when added to 2000 make the resulting number divisible by all these numbers: 12, 16, 18, and 21. What is the sum of the digits of x? So how will you proceed? What does the question mean? Question says x is the smallest number which must be added to 2000, which means basically either that number which is greater than 2000 happens to be LCM of these numbers or a multiple of LCM. Is that okay? Yes or no? Now, students, if you look at the actual solution, LCM is 1008. Now, the very next number which will be divisible by all of them is nothing but 2016. So how do you get 2016, students? In 2000, you have to add 16. Now that's my x. That's my x. I'm adding 16. That's my x. So the question was, what is the sum of the digits of x? So 1 and 6 adds to give you 7. Is this okay? So sum of digits for these for this particular number, which when added to 2000, making it a perfectly divisible number, happens to be 7. Happens to be 7. Happens to be 7. Is this okay, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes.
All right. Next question, please. This, I think understanding of the question is far more important vis-a-vis actually solving the entire question. So I would request you, I would urge each one of you to get a proper understanding. So language skills become far more important. And when you are able to interpret it the right way, when you are able to comprehend it in the most simple manner, you never face a challenge as far as these categories of questions go. Okay, the next question, which is question number 20, basically talks of calculating square root of a particular expression. An expression which is 0.342 times 0.684, and it is divided by a number. What will be the square root of this number? What will be the square root of this?
So 2000.
If I divide, you see, 171 is into 4 is 684, and this gets divided complete. Here I've got so 1, 2, 3 places, 1000, and here also 3 places. So 6 places. So 1000 goes on the numerator side. The rest is calculation. The rest is calculation, I'm sure. So you get this as your expression. Is this okay? That's, yeah, this is a much simpler question where the answer works out to be 2000. Is this okay, students? Great. So today I will share 2 assignments. One, this particular assignment that I've been discussing. I'll forward it to Keshav sir, and I'm sure it will reach all of you. Second is the assignment that I gave you, those 13 questions shall also be shared. Besides these 2, I will share 2 assignments in coding and decoding. And students, don't forget the 2 websites, Exam Veda and SmartKida, where you need to go and practice as many questions as possible. Is this okay? And tomorrow morning, students, don't forget you have your verbal ability session. The first verbal ability session. We got about 7-8 verbal ability sessions also, just to give you an overview of language skills, grammar, reading comprehension, everything. Is that okay? All right. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 21. Let's proceed to the next question, please. 469 plus 174, square of this minus 469 minus 174 square divided by 469 times 174.
सर 4
सर 4 होगा.
Okay,
Sir, 4.
very good. Okay. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square divided by A square plus B square. यही था question, isn't it? Now, if I look at this, this is A square plus 2AB.
Sir,
It was,
sir, it
it
was
was-
AB.
yeah. Sorry, it was A, yes. 2AB plus B square minus A square minus of 2AB is again plus 2AB and plus B square is minus B square upon AB. Minus A square plus A square gone plus B square minus B square gone. So what is left? 2AB and 2AB. How much is this? 4AB. 4AB divided by AB. Obviously, AB gets cancelled out, is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. Is this okay? So these are again simplification based on formula. All right. So this is A square plus B square minus A minus B whole square divided by. All right. Next. I want to think you to think aloud and get the answer to this question without solving it. Yes, please. Students, the sooner we
7 by
complete
Option D.
7 by
option D.
7 by 5. C.
No, 7 by 4. Okay. If I were to solve this question, what I would do is I'll give it without, 9 by 5, then converting it, taking it to the 15 by 9, cancelling it out, so on. Can I say this is 1 plus 2 upon 1 plus some value here? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? And how much is this value? Certainly more than 1. Is it more than 1, greater than 1, this part? Yeah, 3 divided by 1 plus something. So 3 divided
Yes,
by
sir,
2.
it would be 15 by 9, more than one. Yes, sir.
It is more than, you don't have to solve it. Please understand. I don't want you to solve the entire thing. All I'm saying is 3 upon 1 plus 4 by 5. So basically, this is, let me write it for you. Wait, देखिए मैं चाहता हूं कि आप कुछ शॉर्टकट सीखें। मेरे नहीं तो कोई भी ट्रेनर पढ़ा रहा हो, मैं थोड़ा आलसी ट्रेनर हूं, तो मेरा टेक्निक भी थोड़ा आलसी होगा। तो मैं आपको थोड़े शॉर्टकट समझाना चाहता हूँ। मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, एक सेकेंड। 1 प्लस 2 अपॉन 1 प्लस 3 अपॉन सम 1 प्लस, यही तो है, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Students, this entire thing, don't solve it. This entire thing should be greater than 1. Will it be greater than 1? Obviously, because 3
Yes, sir.
upon 2, so 1.5 के आसपास है, ठीक? अगर ये 1.5 है, तो या जो भी वैल्यू है, I'm not interested also. So 1 plus 1.5 will be, so this value, this entire circle is less than 1. So 1 plus less than 1 क्या होगा? Less than 2? Less than 2? Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes,
Less
sir.
than 2, but marginally less than 2, of course. So I look at the options now. Now option C looks less than 1.5 only. अगर ये 7.5 divided by 5 होता, तब ये 1.5 होता. Are you getting my logic? So I need an answer which is closer to 2, but it is less than 2. Which of the 4 options?
Sir, 7 by 4. When we
7 by
divide
4.
it will provide us 1.75.
No, that's okay. Whatever it does. So I'm just trying to give you options and techniques where you can do it in 10 seconds, 8 seconds, 15 seconds. Otherwise तो solve कर ही लेंगे आप. चलिए आगे बढ़े. A two-digit number is such that the product of the digits is 8. When 18 is added to the number, the digits are reversed. What is this particular number? Now, again, these categories of questions, I don't expect you to solve the entire question. So I want you to solve this quickly. 30 seconds. Take your time, 30 seconds. Just, I'm not feeling great today, so just splash water on my eyes. Just 1 second. You just solve it. I would request all of you to not solve these kind of questions by traditional methods. If you look at this particular question, students, you see if the 18 is added, then the digits are reversed. If I add 18 to 42, it becomes 60. I can do that orally. It doesn't get reversed. If I add 18 to 81, it becomes 99. It doesn't get reversed. If I add 18 to 36, it becomes, sorry, 18 to 18, it becomes 36. So it doesn't become 81. But when I add 18 to 24, it becomes 42. Otherwise, that old method 10x plus y and so on, I'm not interested. So it's always good when you got options to choose from the option. This is how to do it. So let the digits x, 8 by x. Why 8 by upon x? Because the product is 8. So you find out and form a quadratic equation. Not required. I'm not interested. Okay, next question. Find the whole number, which when increased by 20 is equal to 69 times the reciprocal of the number. Find the whole number, which when increased by 20 is equal to 69 times the reciprocal of the number. Yes, please. Quickly, fast. Again, I'll introduce some shortcut. I really want you to speed up, take some shortcut, not solve questions so that it's easy to manage. Find the whole number, which when increased by 20 is equal to 69 times the reciprocal of the number. Yes, please,
Sir,
quickly. 3. Why 3?
Sir, I have used the traditional method by taking x, adding 20.
Find the whole number, which when increased by 20 is equal to 69 times its reciprocal. 69 times its reciprocal. Now, students, x has to be a value which divides 69. Then only you get a whole number. Do you agree? So 69, what are the factors? 23 and 3. If I add 23 here, it becomes 43. And if so this 23 will only make it 3. So this is ruled out. 23. So the other possibility is only 3. So 3 plus 20 is 23. Let me check. And I divide it by 3, I get 23 this side also. So just using common sense. After the equation, don't solve it. Don't solve it after the equation. Just visualize it in your mind. Because you see, you have factors or whole numbers. It means x has to divide 69. And there are only two possibilities. One is 3, the other is 3. It is not possible. That will make this x. It is 3. Am I making sense, students? Are you getting a little bit of logic? Very good. Otherwise, of course, the traditional method. Question number 25. Orally देखिए options पे से check करें. The number of 3 digits has 3 for its units place. All the 4 have 3. And the sum of the digits is 1/7 of itself, which means the number should be divisible by 7. The number should be divisible by 7. The number should be divisible by 7. 43 is not.
63.
63 is.
Sir, 63.
53 is.
Option B.
Yeah, the answer is 63 because the sum of the digits has to be equivalent to 1/7 of itself. 1/7 means it should divide that number. So 63 should get divided by 7. So it gets divided by 7, you get 9. Absolutely. No need for all the solving, not required. All right, students, very quickly we have moved to certain set of questions. All right. Mr. Sinha distributes a certain sum of money among his 5 sons, 1 daughter, and his wife in a way that each son gets double the amount of his daughter and the wife gets double the amount of each son. If each son gets rupees 15,000, what was the total amount distributed? Very quickly, we'll complete this assignment, then we'll move to our assignment that was shared in the morning yesterday. Solve question without solving them.
Sir, it's B.
Okay. See, each son got 15,000. So you could have done orally. How many sons? 5 sons. 15,000 into 5. 75,000 between the sons. 1 daughter. How much money? 7,500. And wife gets 30,000. So 30,000 plus 75,000 plus 7,500. That's 1,05,000 plus 7,500. 1,12,500. Is this okay? 1,12,500. That's your option 2. Option 2. Easy, straight question. No problems. Yes, please. Okay. Next question, please. Very quickly, we have proceeded to question number 27. Yes. Yes, please. Question number 27. Question number 27. Question number 27. Yes, what's the answer?
So 8.
Okay. Keshav sir, I have forwarded you both files. Number system. Keshav sir, are you there? Keshav sir, am I audible to you? Okay. Students, only the 2 files from coding decoding is left. Those 2 shall also reach Keshav sir before 6 o'clock. So I'll speak with him and I'll ensure that all the assignments reaches you. For more practice, I request you very humbly to go on Examveda and smartkira.com. All right. Students, 52 beggars outside the temple. 312 apples are distributed so that each man gets 9 apples. Each man gets 9 apples and each woman gets 5 apples. Each woman. So find the number of men and women outside the temple. So what happens if I take number of men, because beggar as x, then I can take women as 52 minus x. Then I can take women as 52 minus x. Then I can get how many? Each man gets 9 apples. So 9x plus 5 into 52 minus x should be equal to 312. Should be equal to 312. Should be equal to 312. Isn't it? I also can use method of alligation here to help you find out, but I'm not using that for the time being. When I do ratio and proportion, I can do it. First equation is good enough. First, so I get 13 and 39. All right, next question, please. Question number 28. Question number 28. Next question. Let me do this question by easy method. आप note करेंगे question को 126 rupees per kg, 135 per kg, and a third variety. We don't know the price of the third variety. We don't know the price of third variety. So let me pick up the question. So 2 varieties of tea. One is 126. So 1 kg of 126. 1 kg of 126. The other is 1 kg of 135. Other is 1 kg of 135. And the last, suppose we don't know the value. I don't know how many kgs of third variety. 1 is to 1 is to 2. So if I take first variety 1, second variety 1, then it will become 2 variety of the 2 of the third variety. 2 of the third variety. Is this part clear to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Now, what is the total number kilo? 1 plus 2, 4 kg. And this average is how much? This average is how much? 153. 153. 153. So what will x become equal to? So 2x is equal to 153 into 4, 612 minus 126 minus 153. Isn't it? This is the, so 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 351. 2x is equal to 351. So what is x? What will x become equal to? What will become x become equal to?
170.
175.5.
5.65.
That's all. That's all. That's all. Take a screenshot. Easy technique. Nothing more, nothing less. Take a screenshot. All right. Next question. Quickly. This is an easy question. Quickly. Yes, please. Question number 29. How many of you got the answer? Question number 29.
So 30800. Option A.
Option A. Okay. I'm waiting for others too. Okay. Yes, waiting for others quickly, fast. Okay. Yes, please. The ratio of the amount distributed by him to his total income is 2:7. So A, B, C, D, 7x, 3x, sorry, 2x, 3x, and 4x. Why 7? Because the ratio was 7:2:3:4. So 7x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Is this okay? The sum of second and third is greater by 550 compared to the fourth. So fourth को minus किया तो 550. So we get x as 550. So different sons get this much amount, 8,800. Now amount distributed, total income will be 7 parts. Is this okay? Easy solution. Anybody who's not understood this, please ask me, stop me then and there. I'll proceed to the next question. This is again simple. Do it orally. Do it orally. This is the last question. Then, of course, we'll move to that assignment that we did yesterday. So I'll take up all the questions that we left from the assignment yesterday. I have already shared number system and the assignment to Keshav sir on his WhatsApp. Shall be doing so with coding decoding also. So both the assignments of coding decoding shall be shared today. Yes, please. A box has total of 84 bottles of red, yellow, blue. Red bottles are twice that of yellow, and blue color are 1/4 of red color. So let the red color be 4x. So blue is x, and yellow is 2x. X plus 4x plus 2x, 7x, 84, x, 12. How many yellow
24.
bottles? Yellow bottle is 2x. One of you is unmuted.
24.
24 is absolutely correct.
Oh, it's a 24.
24 is absolutely correct. 24 is absolutely correct. All right, students, let's move to our assignment. Assignment that we did yesterday and assignments. So there were different questions, so I discussed a few. Do you have the copy with you of assignment? No, it is now. Has it reached you already? No. There is one assignment by the name Thapar assignment that has 13 questions. Okay. So what all I did not discuss yesterday, let me first talk about speech. And before that, let me talk about let me quickly talk about first these questions. Students, the two assignments. Okay, there were a couple of questions. I just wanted to tell you this. So radius, well, a question we covered, compound interest. Did we discuss this? Okay. radius of a circle is diminished by 10%. So radius was 10, area is equal to 100. Radius is 10, area is 100. It is 100 pi, but I don't ignore pi. You are interested in pi, read that book by Jan Martel, Life of Pi. Radius is 9, area is 81. So by what value does it go down? 19%. That's it. Radius is doubled, area becomes 4 times, but the increase is 3 times. Please don't forget, while you are driving, you must have come across this slogan, सावधानी हटी दुर्घटना घटी. अगर आपकी सैलरी सपोज, अच्छी बातें सोचते, ट्यूसडे सेकेंड हाफ, आपकी सैलरी 1 लाख रुपीस पर मंथ है सपोज करते, बढ़कर 4 लाख हो गई, बहुत अच्छा धमाकेदार परफॉर्मेंस, 4 lakhs. Now question is, what is the increase? Increase is 3 lakhs. Increase is 3 times, so 300%. All right, not 400%. Then there was a question, difference between simple interest and compound interest for 2 years. Whenever time is 2 years, difference between SI and CI is PR square, and this has been given as 45. Radius is 5%, so radius is 5%. 5% is radius. Radius is 5%. So P equals to, this is 1 upon 20, this is 1 upon 20. So this is 45 into 20 into 20. All right. Now what we'll do is, we will quickly solve these questions from time, speed, distance. The questions that were given to you from time, speed, distance. A question tha, walking at 6/7 of the speed, 6/7 of the speed, I get late by 12 minutes. You remember this question? So what is the original time to travel? What is this? So I get delayed by 12 minutes. I get delayed by 12 minutes. Now, if you solve it by the traditional method of time, speed, distance, not that you can't solve it, but this will take too much of a time. अच्छा, मुझे आप एक चीज बताएं स्टूडेंट, शाइनिंग स्टार्स, अगर आपकी स्पीड डबल हो तो टाइम क्या लगेगा? हाफ. If your speed is half, time will be double. If your speed is 1/4, time will be 4 times. And if your speed is 4 times, time will be 1/4. So students, speed and time are inversely proportional. Speed and time are inversely proportional, which means
40.
if my speed has become 6/7 s, the time will become 7/6 t. Yes or no? And according to the question, 7/6 of t from the original time, it is 12 minutes more. यही तो है, is delayed by 12 minutes. यानी कि जो भी ओरिजिनल टाइम था उससे 12 मिनट्स ज्यादा लगेगा. So it means 1/6 of time is 12. So time is equal to 72 minutes. Yes or no? Total time. So 1 hour, 12 minutes. 1 hour and 12 minutes. Is this okay, students? Are you following what I'm trying to convey? आपको ये
I
समझ
wasn't
आया?
able to understand, sir, this one.
जी. Question
Sir, could
से
you
देखें.
repeat, sir?
Yeah. Question क्या कहता? If I drive at 6/7 the speed, I am late by 12 minutes. तो जो भी मेरे को समय लगता है उससे मुझे 12 मिनट ज्यादा लगता है. ओरिजिनल टाइम को टी ले लेते हैं. तो अब मुझे ऑफिस पहुंचने में ओरिजिनल से 12 मिनट ज्यादा लगता है. ठीक, हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कि अगर आपकी स्पीड Just 1 second. ओके, सपोज आप केसीसी से कनॉट प्लेस आना चाहते हैं, आपकी स्पीड है 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर और डिस्टेंस भी 30 बताया गया, यू टेक 1 आवर, बट इफ योर स्पीड इज 60 यू विल टेक हाफ एन आवर। तो जब स्पीड बढ़ेगा तो टाइम कम होगा, यस और नो? देयर इज एन इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप, स्पीड हाफ टाइम डबल, स्पीड डबल टाइम हाफ, स्पीड 6/7, so time will become 7/6. Now 7/6 is how much more? 7/6 is how much more than the original time? How much more than the original time? और 7/6 कितना ज्यादा था? 12 मिनट्स ज्यादा था। ये 12 मिनट्स ज्यादा वक्त इनको लगता था। ठीक, तो हमने इक्वेट कर लिया 1/6 of time is equal to 12. So what is time? 72 minutes. That's it. No need to solve it by traditional method. Are you following,
Yes, sir.
students? All right.
Yes, sir.
अब 3 क्वेश्चन रह गए हमारे टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस के। एक क्वेश्चन कहता है अब माउंटेन के ऊपर जा रहे हैं और माउंटेन से नीचे जा रहे हैं। याद रखिए, जब भी डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड इक्वल हो, एवरेज स्पीड इज 2ab अपॉन a प्लस b। इसका एक और फॉर्मूला है, इट विल बी अ लिटिल लेस देन द ऑब्वियस एवरेज। यहाँ पे दो स्पीड क्या क्या था, 40 था और 60 था, यही था। तो एवरेज जो है 50 से थोड़ा कम होगा लॉजिकली। ठीक, एनीवेज वी सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज। 2ab अपॉन a प्लस b इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एवरेज स्पीड, हार्मोनिक मीन। तो यहाँ पे 60 और 40 आपने रिप्लेस किया, आपको आंसर क्या मिलेगा स्टूडेंट्स? 48 किलोमीटर पर आवर। 48 kilometers per hour. Is this okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let me speak out that question to you so that you'll understand better. Wait. A car driver travels from Plains to the hill station 200 kilometers apart at an average speed of 40 kilometers per hour. If in the return trip he covers the same distance at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour, the average speed of the car over the entire distance of 400 kilometers is. So average speed is equal to 2ab upon a plus b, where a and b are two speeds. Is this okay? All of you? Yes, please. Feel free to
Yes, sir,
ask
yes.
questions. चलिए आगे बढ़ें। अब 2 क्वेश्चन रह गया। एक तो है आगरा दिल्ली, दिल्ली आगरा। एक ट्रेन है जो दिल्ली से चलता है, ठीक है। कितना समय लगेगा? 6 AM to 10 AM, 4 hours लगेगा टाइम? यस प्लीज।
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट ट्रेन
Yes,
is
sir.
Delhi to
4 hours
Agra,
only.
4 hours. Second train starts at 8 AM, reaches Agra at 1 PM. कितना समय लगेगा? 5 hours. Which is slower, which is faster? वैसे तो दोनों ही
Yes,
slow है।
6 AM.
8 AM to 1 PM is slower, which means अगर इसको मैं T1 करूँ, ट्रेन 1, और इसको ट्रेन T2 करूँ, तो 1 घंटे में T1 जितना भी डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करेगा T2 से कम करेगा। डू यू अग्री?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ओके, चलिए। अब ये स्टार्ट करता है 8 AM पे। कब स्टार्ट करता है? 8 AM पे। सबसे पहले हमने क्या करना है, हमें ये देखना है कि 8 AM तक ये कहाँ पहुंच सकता है। हाफ डिस्टेंस पहुंच जाएगा 8 AM तक। क्यों हाफ डिस्टेंस? क्योंकि पूरी दूरी 4 घंटे में तय करते हैं। ठीक, तो हाफ 2 आवर्स में कितना? 50% गॉन। अब जब ये पूरी डिस्टेंस 8 to 10 में कर लेते तो ये हाफ करेंगे कितनी देर में? 9 तक। 9 AM. ठीक. Students, the other train which starts at 8 will not reach here because इसका स्पीड स्लो है. इसने आधी दूरी कंप्लीट कर ली है, इसने आधी दूरी कंप्लीट नहीं की है. Are you getting the logic?
Yes, sir.
Sir, which train you are saying, sir? The faster one?
The first train, 6 AM to 10 AM.
Okay, okay, sir.
So 9 o'clock they don't cross each other. क्योंकि 9 बजे तक इसने भी कुछ दूरी तय किया हुआ होगा. Yes, please. By 9 AM. इसका एक और तरीका है सॉल्व करने का, मैं आपको बता दूं. एक कविता है, लोहे के पेड़ हरे होंगे, तो मैंने लोहे के पेड़ को हरा कर दिया. हिंदी साहित्य का बड़ा ही नामी गिनामी कविता है. Okay, so first train takes 4 hours. Do you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Second train starts at 8 AM, reaches at 10 AM. This train requires 5 hours. मानते आप इस बात को? Students, the second train requires 5 hours. Do you agree? Yes or no? 8 AM to 1
Yes,
PM.
sir.
8 से 12, 4 घंटे, एक और 5 घंटे की बात. So 5 hours. तो मैं क्या करता हूं, सबसे आसान तरीका है, मैं इन दोनों का डिस्टेंस एलसीएम ले लेता हूं 20, क्योंकि इट विल गेट डिवाइडेड बाय बोथ 4 and 5. It shall get divided by both 4 and 5. Now if my distance is 20 students, speed of the first train is how much? 5. What is the speed of the second train? 4. Done. Now 1 hour में 5 kilometers, 20 total distance. So 10 kilometers covered in 2 hours at the speed of 5. Now 1 hour में this train covers 5. This train covers 4. They have to cover 10. So total time should be 10 by 9 hours after 3 p.m. Is this okay? So you get the exact time. ये जब टाइम, अभी आप परेशान ना हो, टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस चैप्टर जब किया जाएगा इस क्वेश्चन का, अभी तो ये था कि 9 o'clock तक ये क्लैश नहीं होता, 9 के बाद होगा. वहां पर एक ही ऑप्शन. इस क्वेश्चन को हम लोग फिर से कर पाएंगे बहुत डिटेल में, बहुत तसल्ली से, टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस टॉपिक का जब जिक्र आएगा. स्टूडेंट्स, दैट ब्रिंग्स अस टू द लास्ट question from this assignment. That question was very interesting. Excluding stoppages, the speed of a car is 54. यानी कि जब कोई स्टॉपेज नहीं है तब कार की स्पीड है 54, और जब स्टॉपेज होती है तो कार की स्पीड है 45. यानी कि जब कार रुकता नहीं तो कार 54 किलोमीटर कवर करता, और जब रुकता है तो कोई डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा क्योंकि ड्राइविंग स्पीड सेम है. यस और नो? क्या कवर करता? व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस द कार कवर्स? 45. Why 45? With speed, with stoppages. Now this is, the ratio is 6:5. The ratio is 6:5, which means this should be 50. 50 means what is the stoppage time? Stoppage time is 10 minutes. Stoppage time is 10 minutes. Stoppage time is 10 minutes. Are you getting the logic here, students? हमने क्या logic लगाया है? Yes or no? More or less पति क्योंकि number system is a vast chapter, but आपको at least एक basic overview मिल गया है. 54 hours के मॉड्यूल में जो कुछ भी बेस्ट पॉसिबल है वो हम लोगों ने किया है. देखिए एक बात समझे, अगर स्टॉपेज नहीं होता तो 54 किलोमीटर कवर करते, यानी 60 मिनट्स में 54. स्टॉपेज होता तो 45 होता है. So the ratio of the distance traveled is 6:5. So ratio of time will also be 6:5. So time taken will be 50 minutes. So what is the stoppage time? What will be the stoppage time, students? 10 minutes. आप समझ पा रहे? Yes, please. कोई आवाज नहीं आई.
Sir, this was
सर कंफ्यूजन है सर.
confusion है sir, थोड़ा।
कंफ्यूजन होगा. देखिए मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, ड्राइविंग स्पीड उसकी 54 ही है दोनों ही केस में. पहले केस में वो 54 कवर करता 60 मिनट्स में, ठीक. दूसरे केस में ड्राइविंग स्पीड 54 रहते हुए भी वो कवर कर पाता सिर्फ 45. क्यों? क्योंकि वो पूरे 60 मिनट ड्राइव नहीं करता. तो क्या हम पता कर सकते हैं कि वो कितनी देर ड्राइव कर रहा? डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड का रेशियो निकल जाएगा. 54:45 is 54:45 is 6:5. 6:5. So जब पूरे समय ड्राइव करता पूरे 60 मिनट, तब 6 पार्ट्स 54. जब कम समय के लिए ड्राइव करता तो 5 पार्ट्स. तो ड्राइव कितनी देर करना पड़ेगा? 50 मिनट्स. ड्राइव कितनी देर के लिए करना पड़ेगा? 50 मिनट्स. 50. So what is the stoppage time?
10 minutes.
बस 50 मिनट्स ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो जाहिर सी बात है जो टाइम स्टॉपेज के लिए होगा वो कितना होगा? 10 मिनट्स. ऑल राइट, 2-3 क्विक पॉइंट्स बिफोर वी कॉल इट ऑफ. नंबर 1, देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, आप जो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं इसको आपसे मेरा सविनम्र निवेदन है थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिस करें. मैं फिर से लिख रहा हूं, वेबसाइट्स एग्जाम वेदा. आपने देखा किसी ने कैसा है वेबसाइट? और दूसरा स्मार्ट कीड़ा. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि लेट मी शो यू. डिड आई शो यू द वेबसाइट? यस, आई मीन द अदर डे. या आई डिड. सो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, अभी हमारा क्या क्या हो गया है? नंबर सिस्टम, एचसीएफ, एलसीएम, सिंप्लीफिकेशन, ये सब कंप्लीट हो गया है. नंबर सिस्टम के 2-3 बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट, अभी एक कॉन्सेप्ट मैं बस करना चाह रहा हूँ जो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम तो इस लेवल पे इतना नहीं आएगा, लेकिन जो एक चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है वो मैं आपको बस बता दूं. एक क्वेश्चन आता है, सपोज a very large number x is divided by 87. It leaves a remainder 31. What will it leave a remainder as if it is divided by 29? What will be the remainder? ये क्वेश्चन आता है अक्सर. इसमें आपको क्या देखना है? if the same number is getting divided by 2 different divisors, कौन से हैं? एक 87, एक 29. क्या 29 87 को डिवाइड करता? is 29 a factor of 87? Answer is yes. Answer is yes. 29 times 3 is 87. अगर ऐसी कभी भी कोई परिस्थिति आ जाए जिसमें एक बहुत बड़े नंबर को एक डिवाइजर डिवाइड करता और सेकंड केस में जो डिवाइजर डिवाइड करता वो उसका फैक्टर है, then all you have to do, what will be the remainder? Just divide your remainder by this number. What is the remainder? 2. And that's your answer. You don't have to divide the entire number by 29. You don't have to divide the entire number by 29. You straight away get you straight away get, just divide the remainder by the next divisor. आप समझ पा रहे हैं मेरी बात को?
Yes,
सर
sir.
सर
मैं आपको-
29 को हमने दूसरे वाले के रिमाइंडर से डिवाइड किया।
नहीं, पहले में जो रिमाइंडर बचा 29 will divide 31. मैं फिर से एक एग्जांपल लिखता हूं, आप लिखे, क्वेश्चन लिखे प्लीज, हमारे पास टाइम है, डोंट वरी। A large number when divided by 17, a large number when divided by 17 leaves a remainder 23. नहीं सॉरी 17, एक सेकेंड सॉरी, ओके सॉरी माय मिस्टेक। वेट एक सेकेंड, ओके एक बहुत बड़ा नंबर जब 102 से डिवाइड करते उसका रिमाइंडर 23 होता, क्या होता 23। What will be the remainder when the same large number is divided by 17? मैं ये कह रहा था। अब 17 times 6 is 102. 17 times 6 is 102. So all we have to do in this case, your remainder is, that's it. यही मैं कह रहा हूँ। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, आप समझ पा रहे हैं? तो नंबर सिस्टम के क्वेश्चंस बाय एंड लार्ज आपके लेवल पे प्लेसमेंट से रिलेटेड जो चीजें जरूरत हैं, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा, हो सकता है एक आध छोटी मोटी चीज त्रुटि मेरे से हो गई होगी जाने अनजाने में, ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कुछ एग्जॉस्टिव कंप्लीटली है, लेकिन फिर भी जहां तक संभव है हम लोगों ने इसको कवर अप कर दिया। ठीक है, चल तो कल मुलाकात होगी, कल इंग्लिश की क्लास होगी 9:30 मॉर्निंग में, सेकेंड हाफ में मेरी क्लास होगी। Thank you so much students, all the best, keep practicing from Exam Veda and Smart Keyboard. Thank you so much, all the best.
Okay, thank you sir.
Thank you। मैं वो
Thank you, sir.
कोडिंग डिकोडिंग के भी असाइनमेंट्स भेज रहा हूँ।
Okay, sure sir.